Hello students, Namaste, how are you all? Today will be the last class before summer vacation. Hope this will be the last online classes because I'm also waiting for on means mainline except this online because lot of online classes has been done. So when the students and teacher get interact with each other, that time the real study begins, right? But then also I had tried my level best to give you about all the completions of science, maths. So I hope whatever I had taught you in the previous video or previous to previous all the 6th standard science and maths video, I hope that all of you have written the question answers. Especially I am talking about the question answers. If you have not written the question answers, then please just go through my channel, open the Sonu Kumar channel. In that, go through the playlist option. In the playlist, I have made the 7th standard, 6th standard, 8th standard, every standard subject wise I have made the playlist. So go through that playlist and just open that, and you will get each and every exercise, every video per video you will get it. So definitely you have to just open that link, and if you have not written, then please write the question answers of science, and if you have not written the exercise of maths, then please complete the exercise of maths in your notebook. Actually this was just a little bit effort to make you study, because study must go on. You know very well that if we leave the study, then we will get a lot of loss. So that's why we have tried our level best to give you ourselves best, right? So I hope all of you have written all the question answers and the exercise. So some of the questions were left in exercise 3.4, question number 5. Already I had completed question number 5A, right? So today I am going to start exercise. First of all, class 6, all of us know, class 6 maths exercise 3.4, question number 5D, right? So fifth A, actually question was which of the following numbers are co-prime? Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So A was 18 and 35. In the previous video already I have solved that question. In this we are going to solve about the 15 and 37. 15 and 37. So first of all, what you have to do, what is the meaning of this question? Which of the following numbers are co-prime? How you will understand these are co-primes or not? So first of all, you have to find these two numbers factor. After finding the factor, you must see there must be only one common factor between these two numbers, then that numbers are co-prime. So let's check that both the numbers are having how many common factors. 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. These are the factors of 15. And if I talk about the 37, 1 and 37. So you will see in this both the factors 15 and 37, only one is common. What is common? Only one is common. So common factor is equal to 1. Right? So if what you will write, because the question is these two numbers are co-prime or not. So what you will write in the answer? Therefore the given two numbers are co-prime. Therefore the given two numbers are co-prime. Got it? Similarly, you have to just find C option is in the C question. You can just check it, all the questions 30 and 415. 30 and 415. So I can directly say no. Why? Because 5, 6 are 30 and this is also divisible by 5. So they are having more than one common factor. So definitely if they are having more than one factor, then they are not. What they are not? They are not co-prime number. Got it? If you want to check, then you can check it. These two numbers also 30. So first of all, you have to find that which are the numbers which are divisible by, or the factors of 30. Let's see. What are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3. 4 not 5. 5, 6 are 30. 6, 5 are 30. 7, 8, 9. 10, 3 are 30. 15, 2 are 30. 31 are 30. These are the factors of 30. And what about the 4, 1, 5? In 3, 5, 1, 6, 6, 4, 10. It is not divisible by 3 also. It is divisible by 1, 5, 83 and 4, 1, 5. 1, 5, 83 5s are, and 83 and 4 1 5. So you can see there are two common factors, 1 and 5. So what you will write? Therefore, since they are having two common factors, you can write here, since they are having two common factors, having two common factors, therefore the given number is not or are not co-prime. Got it? This is our answer. So by this way, can you solve all the questions related this? I hope all of you are understanding what I want to say. And after getting the solution of this fifth B, fifth C, now you can solve all the rest of the questions D, E, F, right? Now I am moving towards the question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which number will that number be always divisible? What happened? You don't know the DEF1. So what should I do? I should solve the rest all, or you can do it as you wish. See, remember one thing. As after this class, if you have any doubt, first of all, listen these things very carefully. After this class, because this will be the last class before the summer vacation, right? So after this class also, if you want to continue my lecture online, then you can do comment. If you are giving me comments, then definitely I will upload video for you. Otherwise, you can take rest in the summer vacation. And some of the students are very genius. They want to study. They want to utilize the time of the summer vacation, because nowadays we are not going anywhere. Neither we are going to our native village or anywhere. So that's why if you want to utilize your time, then you can just put a comment in the comment box that, sir, I want new video from you of this chapter or that chapter, or this exercise, that exercise, this question or that question. Definitely I will make video for you. But for that you have to do comment. Got it? So let's start with question number 6. I hope 5th B and rest of the question you can solve. But if you are having any doubt, then please drop it down in the comment box section. Definitely I will help you. Now I am moving towards the question number 6. What is question number 6? Question number 6 is, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. You can write the question if you want. A number is divisible by a number is divisible by 5 and 12 both. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Will that number be always divisible? What is question? Question is saying to you, a number which is divisible by 5 and 12 both, by which other number will that number be always divisible? Here, first of all, what you have to see, you have to just write the common factors of 5 and 12. After writing the common factors of 5 and 12, you will, whatever the numbers you are getting, so the number, if you get any co-prime number or composite number, so will be the divisible by their product. Okay? So let's start. First of all, what are the factors of 5 and 12? Factors of 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. And factors of 12, there are a lot of factors. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? So you can see in this both what are common? Only 1 is common. Common factor is 1. So as the common factor of these two numbers is 1, so given two numbers are co-prime number, and the number will be also divisible by their product, that is 12 into 5, that is 60. Then the factors of 60, whatever the numbers are. First of all, what you write? As the common factor of these two numbers is 1. As the common factors of these two numbers is 1. As the common factor of these two numbers is 1, right? Therefore, which number is this? If they are having only one common number, so therefore which number is this? Therefore they are co-prime number. Therefore they are co-prime number. As the previous question was that, therefore they are co-prime number. And the number will be also divisible by the product of the number. And question is asking, by which other number will be that number be always divisible? So now question is, the other number is product of 5 and 12. 5 and 12. That is 5 into 12 is equal to 60. So 60 is that number will be always divisible. What is the question was? Question was, by which other number it will be always divisible. So 60 is that number. Then the factors of 60, you can see, if these numbers are divisible, then the factors of 60 are what? Factors of 60. Factors of 60. Now question was, by which other number will that number will be always divisible? So the other number is product of 5 and 12, which will be always divisible. Which will be always divisible. Got it? So factors of 60, can you tell me? 61 ja 60, 2 30 ja, 23 ja, 15 4 ja, 12 5 ja, 6 10 ja, after 6, 7, 8, 9, till 9 no factors, 10 6 ja 60, 12 5 ja 60, 15 4 ja 60, 32 ja 60, 61 ja 60. So these are the numbers by which, 20 has been, 23 ja 60, right? Sorry. 23 are 60. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 12 15 20 30 and 60 is the number which is divisible by 60. So this was our question number 6, and I hope that all of you have understand this question. See, what you have to do, you have to first of all take one day rest, complete rest. After taking a complete rest, make a plan that what should I do in this summer vacation during this lockdown. Actually what happens nowadays, everybody is sitting at their room, they think about some other ideas, how to earn money or how to do other things, how to give all the things online. So you also prepare yourself that how should I get each and everything online. See, whatever the questions I have solved, whatever the sums I have solved, you have already written. If you want more, then you can search on Google about that chapter, about that proper topic. They will give you a sample paper, solve that questions at home. Otherwise, you can prepare yourself, because 1-2 questions you have seen. According to that, you can generate some numbers in your mind and you can do yourself. See, what happens? If we think, if we will something to do, then always there is a way. If we don't will, then there is a no. Are you getting or not? Jahan चाह है वहाँ राह है. Means where there is a will, there is a way. If you are willing, then definitely you will get a way. So what is the main purpose? You must be willing. If you think that I should do something, then definitely you will do. And if you be lazy, no, let me sleep till 12 o'clock, let me sleep till 1 o'clock because summer vacation is going, then there is nothing. See, life is yours, you have to do. But if you ask to me, then my special suggestion to you all is that if you are solving the maths exercise, you can download PDF, already books have been distributed from the school, you can take the books and after then you can start solving. And if you are facing any type of doubt, then please put your doubt into the comment box, any video comment box. Just write your name, sir, my name is this, I am studying in this class, I have a doubt in this exercise, this question. So definitely I'll make special video of that question, and you will clear your all the doubts of that video or that question in that video. So definitely I'll help you. If you wish to solve, then I'm always with you, and if you want to enjoy the summer vacation, then you can enjoy. I hope that all of you have understand all the concept, whatever I have taught you till yet in this whole online session, that if I make any mistake, then extremely sorry. And if you have think that no sir is teaching well, then you can subscribe my channel, you can like my channel. Something I'll upload for you all that you can must watch, that it is really good for students or not. That's all for today. Thank you very much.